In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email from Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Zoho CRM to draft a message to a specific person and keep that communication tied to their record, so you can stay organized and keep your outreach consistent. First, make sure you're on the home area of Zoho CRM. This is the main dashboard where you land when you open the CRM. From here, you'll see the top navigation bar that lets you move between different modules. If your layout looks a little different, that's normal. Zoho CRM can be customized, but you'll still have access to the same modules from the header or the main menu. Next, open the Contacts module. Contacts are the individual people you interact with, customers, prospects, or stakeholders, whereas accounts represent companies. Clicking Contacts brings up a list view with your saved people. You can use the search box or any available filters to narrow the list if you have a lot of records. The goal is simply to get to the person you want to reach. Now click the specific contact you want to email. This opens their record page where you can see their details, related activities, and communication history. Take a quick moment to confirm the email field is present and looks correct on this record. Keeping your data clean here helps ensure your message reaches the right inbox and that your outreach is properly tracked. On the contacts record, look for the Send Email option. It's typically near the top of the page or within the communication panel. Selecting it opens the email composer inside Zoho CRM, so you don't have to leave the app. You'll see the recipient pre-filled from the contact, and your From address will reflect the mailbox connected to your user. If you don't see this option, your admin may have restricted permissions or the mailbox might not be connected, but in most standard setups, it will be available. Finally, write your message. Add a clear, relevant subject line, then craft your email in the body. Keep it concise, personal, and action-oriented. You can use the built-in formatting tools to make key points stand out, and your email signature may appear automatically if it's configured. Before you finalize, read it once more for accuracy and tone. When your message is complete, the composer provides the option to send it right from this window, and Zoho will log the conversation on the contact's timeline so you have a record of your outreach. That's all there is to it. Go to Home, open Contacts, choose the person, click Send Email, and write your message. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing with Zoho.